to Striking Studies, and today we'll be doing gravitation part 3. So, we'll first be going through some assumptions in free fall which are needed if you want which are basically the basis of some formulas of a freely falling body. So, a few assumptions in free fall. The first one is G is constant throughout motion and acts vertically downwards. And the second one is air resistance is negligible. So, let's begin. Now, the equations of freely falling bodies. So, we have two cases, and the first case is an object is thrown upwards and it returns after some time. It has initial velocity u, acceleration due to gravity g, time interval t, maximum height achieved h, and final velocity v. So, the formulas will be time taken to reach maximum height u by g, total time of the journey 2u by g, max height achieved by the object u squared by 2g. Now we have case 2, which is an object is thrown vertically downward from a certain height and it has height h, initial velocity u, acceleration due to gravity minus g, because because according to our assumptions of free fall, we should have acceleration due to gravity. If an object is moving downward, it should be minus g. So, and the time taken is t, it falls through a distance y, and its final velocity is v. So, the total time of the journey is v by g, final velocity is gt, time taken to fall a certain distance is half gt square. And yeah, in the first case, the final velocity is just going to be 0, and in the second case, the initial velocity is 0. So now we're done with the formulas, so let's do mass and weight. So we did this I'm pretty sure you studied this in 8th grade, but we're gonna do a bit more detailed version of it now. So mass is the amount of matter contained in a body, and the mass of a body is constant in any place in the universe, be it on Earth, Sun, Moon, Jupiter, Mercury, Mars, I don't know, wherever you go. Go to another star if you want. And then it's measured by a physical balance, and it is a scalar quantity, thus always positive. So the SI unit of mass is kg and the CGS unit is grams. And the mass of a body offers inertia because the more the mass, a greater force is needed to move it from rest or stop it in motion. Now, weight. So the gravitational force exerted by Earth on an object is called weight, and this force is directed towards the center of the Earth and denoted by W. It is measured by a weighing machine or spring balance. So unlike mass, weight has a formula which is W equals mg, and m is the mass of an object and g is acceleration due to gravity. I mean, pretty sure we should be knowing what g is by now, since literally the whole chapter we've been saying g. Small g is acceleration due to gravity. Now, the unit of weight, SI unit is Newton and CGS unit is dyne. So weight actually varies based on different stuff. So weight depends on g, which varies with location, and objects weigh less at higher altitudes like mountain tops than at sea level. This is because g decreases with increasing distance from center of the Earth. So like if you weigh I don't know, no offense, but if you weigh 40 kgs at sea level, you weigh a lot lesser on the top of Mount Everest. Now, weightlessness. So, weightlessness is basically when no contact force is exerted on us and our apparent weight is 0, and we experience weightlessness. So, basically, we feel weight because we're literally in contact with something which actually lets us feel the weight. So, wait, a space shuttle orbits and nearly 400 kilometers above Earth's surface. At this distance, gravity equals 8.7 meter per second square. And although G is not zero, the astronauts experience weightlessness. So, I know this is a short video, but yeah. Fun fact of the video, gravity is by far the weakest force we know. So I'm pretty sure it's like, okay, I don't know how to take this, neither did I, but look, gravity is powerful enough to hold a whole universe together, but then it's so weak that you can overcome it every day. If I pick up my bottle, I am overcoming gravity from all of Earth. So it's like almost the weakest force that all humans know. Anyways, that's the end of part 3. And if you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button in the face. Comment down below how this video was and subscribe. And don't forget to press the notification bell. And also, if you have any doubts, you can just comment it down below. Bye, guys.